In this video, we are going to talk about how to bid on freelancer.com so you can bid on projects. So, what is bidding right here? So, it's just like Upwork if you're familiar. You're going to place a bid on hire contracts so you will get the contract itself or vice versa. So, you click browse from the main menu and select projects. So, you select the project that skills match to yours basically, and then you'll be able to see the actual project details. And if you're interested in it, you can bid an amount and delivery time and detailed proposal from there. So the bid basically actually just places you in position so that you will be able to get that contract, and then you'll be able to actually get that and you'll be paid for doing it if you do it. So the bid details are going to be right there. So if someone proposes $500 for a certain project, you can bid a $600 proposal, so that, or a $400 proposal, so it's cheaper for the client and you can offer a better price for them. So the initial planning and other milestones you can also place right there, and then the optional upgrades, and then you place the bid basically right here. So again, let us replay this. So you find your own proposal by pressing browse projects, and then from there you select your project type. So from project type, you will select your project. Let's say you found your project, and then the skills, of course, you'll have to just select those two. So of course, it's going to be onto your own preferences, and the listing types as well. And the fixed price, you can also set that, and the hourly price, you can also set that. So once you have fixed the sliders for those, you can add location, you can add other details so that you'll be able to specify your liking of the project details. So once you have a project like this, you can bid an amount like I've said earlier, and there you go. So it's just that simple, and then you can go to your projects and select active bids to see those that you already have in your hands. So there you go, guys. That is how you bid on your freelancer.com.